Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Ford Mustang GTD and this is by Hotwheels and this is a new casting for 2025. We did unbox this in a different color. Around January or February. So it's really crazy to think it's already going to be a end of this year. So it's been nearly, it's been a year since I went to Malaysia because there only I bought this casting for the first time. Okay. Okay, here it is. Here is the card art. Let me just put this away. Here is the casting. So again, the casting looks absolutely beautiful. So I don't know why they are again. I really hate this gloss black, to be very honest with you guys. It always shows that imperfections in the paint. At least with Hot Wheels. I don't know about other brands because I usually don't buy gloss black painted in other brands that easily. So I usually go with some other colors if it is available. But apart from this, the rest of the paint job looks absolutely gorgeous. It's a mild glittery blue. So it does have paint bubbling here. Again, it's not a common issue, so don't worry about it. So let's talk about the good things here. Okay, it has headlight detailing, which is really nice. So it has taillight detailing as well, which is really good. It has the GTD logo here that is embossed on the metal itself. So the body is fully metal, chassis is fully plastic, including the splitter here. This is plastic. In the rear is plastic. You can see the exhaust detailing here, which looks so cool, man. Okay, so including the spoiler, which is metal. This piece in the roof is also metal. It has a rear view mirror as well. Okay, you can see the hood detailing here. So that is also a piece of acrylic actually. They could have just went with acrylic headlights at least, like they did for other castings. So overall the casting looks so beautiful. Even though the rims are not really that good, but it actually complements the casting really well given that they trimmed it in golden color. So this looks beautiful casting. Okay, it does have good interior detail to it, as you can see. So they could at least given clear windshield at least for one goddamn casting. I mean, they're doing that for fantasy casting, not for the real ones, where detail actually matters. Okay, let's weigh this casting now. 37 grams, not bad. Okay, let's roll this one now. Okay, that's unexpected. Okay, it actually rolls good, but something in the middle, I think because of the width, I guess. A lot of cars actually struggle at this part. I don't know why. And this is an official Hot Wheels truck. I mean, it is not even a non-branded ones. Okay, let's rate this casting now. So I don't see any issue with it. It has all the necessary details. So 10 out of 10. So get this casting, guys. I mean, this will. I don't know if this is repeating in 2026 cases so far. I saw only like C case so far. I didn't see this one, but maybe in ARB it might repeat, I guess. But again, in this year itself, it was repeated already thrice, I guess, at least twice. So don't worry if you are missing out this time, you will get it next time. So don't overpay. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.